So my first problem is 3x minus 5 equals negative 8, parentheses 6 plus 5x, parentheses. So we had to do distributive property. So I did 8 times 6, and I got negative 48, and then negative 8 times 5, and I got negative 40. So I brought the plus sign down, and I have to bring these, so keep them the same, and brought these down. Then I added these by both sides, crossed them, and I added 40 by that side, 40x, and I got 43 minus 5 equals negative 48. Then I did plus 5 by both sides, cross this one out, then did plus 5, and I got negative 48 plus 5, and I got negative 43, and 43x here. So we have to do 43 divided by 43, cross that one out, then bring this one to the other side and divide, and x equals negative 1. Okay, my second problem is 2 parentheses 4x minus 3 parentheses minus 8 equals 4 plus 2x. So first, I had to do distributive property. So 2 times 4, x minus 3. I brought the 6 to this side, plus negative 8x. Oh, I made a mistake there. X parentheses plus 8x equals, no. We bring the 8 from the outside inside here, and the 8x stays outside, equals 4 plus 2x. Then we minus 2x by both sides, cross this one out, and 8 minus 2 is 6x, and then we leave that by 4 by itself. Then we do negative 14 plus 6x equals 4. Then we do add 14 by both sides, cross it out, plus 14 here equals 18. Then we do 6 divided by 6, cross them out, and 18 divided by 6 equals 3. So x equals 3. My third problem. 5x plus 34 equals negative 2. Distributive property 1 minus 7x. First, I did distributive property. I got negative 1. Then I did negative 2 times 7x equals 7 positive. 7 positive. Then we do that, change that minus sign into a plus sign. Then bring these two down the same. Then I added subtracted them by both sides, cross that 14 out, and then do 5x minus 14x, and we get 34 plus negative 9x equals minus 2. Then we minus 34 by both sides, cross these two out, then we get negative 2 plus negative 34 and get negative 36. Then bring negative 9 down, and cross these out and leave x alone. Then we do negative 36 divided by 9 equals 4. Then we have negative parentheses 1 plus 7x parentheses minus 6 parentheses negative 7 parentheses minus x parentheses equals 36. So first I did negative minus times 1 equals negative 1 plus, we get to keep that as a plus, and then negative minus 7x equals negative 7x. Plus, bring this down. I did 6 times 7, 6 times negative 7, and got 42. And then 6 times x, I got 6. So 6x. Yeah, 6x, sorry. 6x equals 36. Then I added 42 to both sides. Cross this one out. Then plus 42 here. I got 41 plus negative 7x plus 6x equals 36. Then I minus 6 by both sides. Cross this one out. Negative 7x minus 6x is negative 1x equals 36. 41 plus negative 1x equals 36. Then I do negative 41 by both sides plus minus 41, and then minus 36 minus 41, and you get negative 5. And then bring negative 1 down, turn that one divided by negative 1, cross it down, leave x alone. Then negative 5 divided by negative 1 equals 5. Negative 3 parentheses 4x plus 3 parentheses plus 4 parentheses 6x plus 1 parentheses equals 43. So first we do negative 3 times 4 distributive property, and equals negative 12x. Then that plus sign turns to a minus sign. Then you do negative 3 times 3 equals 9. Plus, bring the plus down, and then we do a distributive 4 times 6x, 24x. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 4. So we bring the plus down, equals 43. Then we have 12x equals 43 plus 9, because we have to bring 9 to the other side, minus 4. Then 43 plus 9, we add and then we minus it by 4, and we get 48. We have 12x here. Divide them by both sides, cross them out, leave x alone, equals, and divide it there, and we get 4. So 48 divided by 12 equals 4. Negative 5 parentheses 1 minus 5x plus 5 minus 8x minus 2 equals negative 4x minus 8x. So first, we have to do negative 5 times 1 equals negative 5. Make that into a plus sign. We do negative 5 times 5x equals 25x plus 5 then we do distributive property. 5 plus 5 times negative 8 equals 10. 40, sorry. And 5 times 2 equals negative 10. Then we bring negative 4x plus minus negative 8x. Then we do negative 5 plus negative 10 equals negative 15. And then plus 25x plus negative 40x equals negative 15x.